Last month, the iOS 26.5 Beta 1 hinted at new App Store subscription options. And now, Apple has made that official. The developers can now set up and test monthly subscriptions with a 12-month commitment. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple confirmed that developers will soon be able to offer monthly subscriptions with a 12-month commitment on the App Store. This will give them a way to split annual-style plans into smaller monthly payments, while still requiring users to commit to the full term. And from the user standpoint, Apple says that this new subscription option will let users cancel their subscription at any time, which will prevent the subscription from renewing after they've completed their agreed-to payments to fulfill their commitment. Apple also says that people can easily view the number of completed and remaining payments for the subscription in their Apple account to provide transparency, adding that the company will send emails and push notifications when applicable to remind users of the upcoming renewal. And for developers, Apple says the new subscription type is already available in App Store Connect and for testing in Xcode. However, it isn't live on the App Store just yet. Apple says that once iOS 26.5 and its counterparts are released next month, the option will become available to users worldwide running iOS 26.4 or later and its counterparts except for the United States and Singapore. Apple's press release doesn't mention why these monthly subscriptions with a 12-month commitment won't be available at first in the United States and Singapore, nor when the feature is expected to roll out in these regions. But the rest of the world will be enjoying this perk soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.